Yeah, my people, I'm on live again on this side with Naija Gbedu TV, one of the best TV in Italy. Yeah, today I want to talk about church, about pastors, At the verse, if I hear them, I normally tell people church is being defined as an edifice where people or group of Christians go to edify the Lord. But these days, church does change to business. And they tell you, church just change to business. There's no real pastors again. Imagine, one day for Nigeria, when my pastor will go church. Get one shirt where they call marker shirts those days, where they get line. At this small shit they shout to my pastor, my pastor the verse. He asked me, say, Dr. Prince, why did they call me Ombala? I said, Pastor, because this shirt too common for market. He said, one of these children, one day if not, I will tell you something. I said, Pastor, take it easy, you are a man of God. He said, no. The children continue to shout, Ombala. Then they near the pastor, they touch the pastor, the shirt where you wear. And the pastor veil. He said, when I get local, see I be pastor. If not, I will so go kill now. When I be grace, if not I be Christian, see I be pastor, I will so the mad. I say, Pastor, there's a shut up there. And they tell you, for inside church, our pastor entered church one day, now begin to preach. He said, this year adverts, make it be the biggest one, the great one, make everybody know say we they do harvest. He they preach and one guy they listen. He said last year Ukechukwu donated his jeep to do adverts. Mama Iradia buy rice. He said this anything what you they do, make you use your hand, bring a culture, make they thank God as the adverts. This man they listen. The man say, this thing pastor they talk so. Pastor not care. Pastor continue to the fire down. Whatever you are doing, bring it to the church that God will bless you. The way pastor they preach, they make you the fear at times. This man na coffee, now they do. Then I say, well, there's a waiting person get that they remove lies for edge. And the man say, good, as pastor don't preach, ain't go do what the pastor talk. On that faithful day, people they dance, they sing for church. Then they dance, they sing. Then they dance, they sing. Before they hear again, somebody they sing another kind of song they come. It cost some young boys, they ever carry coffee. They carry come church that Sunday. I say they going to sing the old kind of song. Pastor don't call me, I don't come. Pastor don't call me, I don't come. This year harvest must good. People they hear the kind of song, everybody go surprised. Who can't die again? Who can't die? Who can't die? Who can't die? Everybody quiet. The man the near altar. Everybody quiet. Now pastor ask him, brother, what is the meaning of this? Then the brother said, Pastor, there's no problem. Now the harvest of this year now I call thank God for. Because you pray that is anything we they do, no can I come church. Now this coffee now prepare God give God. Say thank God, say all the things God do for me, make God bless me. Now I can bring this coffee, content thank God. Now the pastor say, no, this is not what I mean. What do you mean? The man say, Pastor, not be you I give this coffee to. You say me now God that calls that a tank. You could bring jeep, you collect them. Mama already bring rice, you collect them. Papa Yvonne bring you collect them. This coffee you must collect them. Can I go your house, go to do pillow? Now pastor they provide the guy say, leave her there now God that is that now you. Imagine in a church. I'm not tired of the verse. I be pastor continue to preach one day. It's so no someone go ever make a raise your hand. Say because there is sin too much in this country. There is sin too much. It's so no one go ever make go up. Not the pastor they 30% that they preach. Raise my body, raise your hand. One girl not raise her hand. They ask the girl, why you not raise your hand? The guy say no. He say no one go ever now. Say because his mama leave picking for her make sure they look for house. Can you imagine? Not be everybody will wear white while he mad clean. And they tell you, it go only take time. Somebody go call you papa name. You know, I want to see my face. I say the face. I want to see my face. I always tell girls this thing. It is very good that girls make them the needs. Make them dey meet. He get this girl one day. She's very dirty. Ah, Jesus. The husband, they want her, she not the year. The husband, they want her, she not the year. She got belle, she got go born for hospital. After about 7 hours, this woman didn't labor. The doctor, they shout, push. The woman say, I'm trying, push. Because the down of that place, if you see what it is in a grass. Finally, as the pikin come and bring the head, come out. When the pikin see the grass, now the pikin drag over, blood of Jesus, pikin go back. I tell you, the pikin provoke. So which kind of thing be this one? That's why I always tell people, dirtiness at times, they cause problem. You know, in a marriage, there are two kind of people, two kind of expression. The man and the woman, they get a kind of expression, they get a kind of song where they sing. During the marriage, when you see they do the dance, the man I know they good for head where the woman go dey smile so smile. Then she go dey sing. Owe, osalobla owe. Emi no sa woman owe, osalobla owe. What is she talking? Is it thank God for removing her from this sofa? Thank God for removing her from that world. Thank God for everything we got to do. Thank God for putting a problem into this man's head. He said, thank God, oh God, thank you. I don't see if you do this kind of thing for me. Thank God, this man marry me. He said the man will feature up and money wrong. Fool. She could sing her. The man now will call look and with one eye. The man will call check here, will call sing. The man will reason, he go say, which kind of song he want to sing? At one time, maybe you come to him, you go say, you get the kind of song when he go sing. Wait, he say, he go sit down read the mind of the woman. He know what the woman they sing. The woman will sing. Save me, Father, for all the things where this woman they plan. Oh, Baba, save me, because my soul don't finish. Now small money I collect, oh. Now she couple marriage on my head, oh. Baba God, if I feel see her for this one, oh, I go run, leave her, oh. The woman called look at you, say, the fool, God punish you. I they tell you, George, many things they happen. This is Dr. Prince of Italy, the OV1 of Agbarokid, your own boy, doing things with NigerBedu.com.